I'll never forget where I'm from, never forget my roots. It doesn't matter where I live. I'm English, simple as that. I don't have time for hobbies. At the end of the day, I treat my job as a hobby. It's something I love doing. I'm a strong person, I'm a strong family man, I'm a strong husband and a strong father. That was my way of getting through difficult times of low confidence, hard work. It's so important to have manners and treat people from all walks of life the way they should be treated. People react to criticism in different ways, and my way is definitely to come out fighting. When you have kids, you do grow up. I have just started realizing it now. It changes the world, having children. When you get older, you mature, and you start liking flowers. Although I try and keep it manly. People just assume, over the years, that soccer players are not too intelligent. As with most assumptions, they're wrong. I love little kids looking up to me, young players looking up to me, respecting me. I wasn't as fit as I would have liked to have been, going to the World Cup, but I'm not sure what difference that made. I'm not one of those people who is not looking forward to getting old. I'm happy with my life. I've felt a little tired, but I'm only 24. I love playing football. That's my job, and that's what I love doing. Everyone's been so quick to say that I'm really thick or I haven't got a brain. People will think whatever they want to think. I love a nice tailored suit, but I also like to dress down. It all depends on what mood I'm in. You start realizing as you get older that there are some kids who don't know who you are. With United, we'd all grown up together. We all wanted to win the biggest trophy in football. We did it together. I don't think I'm really in a situation to complain because I consider myself to be privileged to be doing what I do. I've never seen myself as a celebrity, but I see it in a positive way, the fact that people are still interested in most parts of my life.